shoot stop. Yeah, it works now. Right? Shoot work now. Good morning everyone.
Yeah, you're live now.
Yeah, good.
Don't forget
Perfect.
to share your screen on Zoom.
Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna add the Zoom chat. Good morning everyone coming in. Zoom chat. Yeah, the thing about that YouTube music is I can be able to hear it, and the people on YouTube, but you guys can't hear it. So,
Yeah, that's right.
whoa, ranging. There. Let's see if we get some news today.
Oh yeah, we should have. Oh no, that was yesterday's
Yeah, it was
CPI.
yesterday. Tomorrow we have news again. We have retail sales.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Let's see. Ooh, the daily closed bearish from yesterday. Yeah, it's pretty nasty right here. Pretty nasty.
Yeah, the higher time frames look a bit better. Like the 4 hour should drop to like 146 400, and then if we get close below,
Yeah, then we can really get that clean traffic down to
yes,
50 maybe. No, we already got stop levels right here, but at least at 955,
yeah.
990.
And buys on the other side, I don't know. They look nasty.
Yeah.
Enough traffic, but yeah, let's see what happens.
I mean, you could you know, window this candle, these two candles, this one and this one, but still it's not that clean as sells. But sells are gonna be clean after 400, and then you do have a level on like um, 350, but that's you're gonna accept that level and expect to pass it with volume if there's any volume this week.
I mean, at least we had a consolidating agent session. So
Yeah, that's important because last days we've been flying in all Asian sessions,
yes.
but yeah, that's better. We might get the move then instead of Asian.
We have any news? No, not really.
No,
Not
12 o'clock there's GBP news, but tomorrow there's gonna be retail sales. So
tomorrow I have to leave at like 10, so it's a very short trading day tomorrow, but let's see.
it is what it is.
And I
Hopefully,
think it's just the best, right? Like everything is just it is what it is.
yeah. If you live like that, you're gonna be happy. Gonna put some music in for the YouTube background. Um, where did I do that again? Oh, here. For the people that are in the Zoom, give a like on the YouTube. I'll send the link in the Zoom chat in a second. Good morning. Good morning. Mm, let's see. Everyone in the Zoom, click on the link, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Let's see.
41 subscribers already. Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
it's going pretty fast. Going pretty fast. Pretty good. But all the videos have been watched many times. Like the first 114 times, second one 85 times, the yesterday 102 times.
Oh, okay.
So that's pretty good.
You really see that development.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much.
Glad to hear. Finally, at my break-even point on Bitcoin.
Break even point. Okay, yeah, because it's flying up now.
Yeah, but I still have some left. I'm just averaging it out, right?
Well, it's flying. I think. Wait, we can see in the right corner, right?
Really, really nice.
51,900. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
That's insane. Nah, that's not normal.
No.
It hit 52,663. That's crazy.
I would say like maybe 2 weeks more and up to 70,000, and then we're done.
Yeah,
Hmm.
you're gonna stay in, hold it.
Yeah, like I said, I'm averaging it out. Like I'm cashing out a bit for every so and so
Push,
thousand
yeah.
it rises. Yeah, but I'm still in. Yeah, partially.
How low did you buy?
I think my average buy-in was like 13,000.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Now you only need the balls to hold it.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah.
Really, my mind is completely occupied with this shit.
Yeah. What did you think when it went to like 40, and then it dropped all the way back to 30?
Yeah, these little drops from 30 to from 40 to 30, they're like normal, you know.
Yeah.
There's nothing to worry about in crypto. But I started to cash out around 40,000. I also took some out at like 35, and then yeah, as it went up, I'm really getting impatient.
Yeah. You just want that 70K to hit, and then you're up.
Yeah. Also, like I transferred some into Ripple because
Okay.
it didn't move yet. So I, yeah, a bit of like, yeah,
Yeah, I was
gambling.
thinking about buying that really low, but I was like, no, I don't want to take that risk.
Yeah.
That's with that, um, the the thing, why it dropped. Forgot the name.
Um,
With the Ripple drop because of that, it went to like 70 cents, and then it came all the way back down to like 17 cents, right?
yeah, it was like, I think it was either the SEC
Yeah.
case
Yeah, I think
or
it.
it
Yeah,
was the
that's it.
Telegram dump and pump and dump.
No,
I
the
don't know.
SSC case. For me, what
SEC.
I saw the most. But
Yeah.
maybe someone else knows something different, but that's what I
But it
saw.
seems like they're getting close to a settlement.
Yeah.
And I think if they're going to announce a settlement and Coinbase adds it back to its portfolio, then it goes crazy.
Yeah. Hope it's not too loud for the people on the YouTube. Wait, let me hear this for a second. Yo guys, can you still hear me? Over the music? I'm just
Music's pretty good.
trying it out. I don't know if it's good, but if you're in the YouTube, tell me if it's okay or if it's too loud.
It's pretty okay.
Okay.
You know, I have a friend who's heavily invested in XRP,
Mhm.
and like it makes sense to me as well because you know the technology, if it does come through, then there's a lot of potential. But I just can't get myself to invest in it because I see the chart, and every time it pushes up, it makes a lower high, and it just looks so bearish. And I just can't put my money in this because every time there's a pump, it never breaks the previous high, and then it just pumps back down. And I'm like, well,
This is just how cryptocurrency works. This market just works in cycles. You can't use any of the Forex stuff.
Yeah, I'm looking to buy like a couple of kilograms of silver soon because it's going to be a good investment on the long term. But just
Yeah.
real silver, so that you let it stay in the bank. But the only issue
physical.
the only issue about that is that you have to pay the bank to store it.
get just store it at home.
Yeah, I want to buy physical gold as well.
I think it's important in the next maybe years to preserve capital by buying these rare metals.
Yeah, it's important. Silver is gonna push up over the years.
With all that money being printed.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Man.
40% of the US dollars were printed into 2020 alone.
Yeah.
And silver, I think silver is easier to get rid of than other precious metals. It's easier to pay with.
Yeah,
Like I'm also buying some coins or stuff. Like in the worst case, when the currency really dies, you have something to exchange.
The only problem about coins is if you buy a coin, you pay for what they did with the coin. So it's always going to be more expensive than just a bar.
Of course, yeah.
So that you can pay with silver coins more easily, but it's going to cost you more money to get it.
Yeah, sure. It's not a good investment.
Well, maybe it isn't, because it's going to take longer time for it to be worth more money. And who says they want to pay more because it's in a different shape, you know? Who says it's worth that much if it's in a different shape? Because they ask more for it because it's made in a different shape.
Yeah, I mean, it's like everywhere. When you buy small amounts, it's more expensive, right?
Yeah.
When it's small, so yeah, of course. But let's see if, like, in 5 to 6 years, DJ is still a pair. Or
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Then we have to trade something else. But I think at the end of the day, currencies, so even if it's gonna be just different types of money, they will be traded maybe in the same way, of same movements, maybe a bit different, but money is money at the end of the day, and it's getting used all over the world, and it's getting the same movements. It's not any different than before. Yeah, it's a different currency, but
it's still humans exchanging it, so you have the psychological patterns still available.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. So it doesn't really matter if the normal fiat money goes away.
Yeah.
Then you're just gonna trade the different pair. Yeah, it's gonna take time to maybe learn about it, and it's gonna be in the beginning. It's gonna be crazy, probably.
But I'm pretty sure that we're gonna experience this crazy hyperinflation stuff.
Yeah. Good morning, Jose. I'll look at your chart.
Well, then we better be in sales when it hyperinflates.
Yeah, the big short.
big short.
Yeah,
Full
man.
margin.
Yeah. Okay, guys, the day has come.
The music stopped again. Wait, maybe if I put this like this. Wait, which screen do you guys see now?
We see the screen with the chart.
Good. Okay, that's good. I need to figure out a way to keep that music rolling.
Oh, does it only play one track at a time?
Sometimes two, but
I think you need to create some sort of playlist and then
I was thinking about that too.
put it on repeat.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I mean, if you buy above 806, you can definitely get 10 pips out in that range. That's a 40 pip range.
What's your bias today?
Well, I'm looking more towards sells because that daily closed bearish and we already made a wick up. So now it's time maybe to make a wick down and break that low on 400 and that low on 360 and then continue further down to like 250 or levels in between that are like 145, 980.
Yeah.
First target's gonna be the 280 probably first.
Yeah.
146, 280. So it's pretty clean. I mean, if we get out, we have 40 pips up because this range is not small. So you can definitely, even though there's a bit of traffic, you can definitely get some pips out of this.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
And if you have a close like below here maybe. You know,
Yeah. Okay.
target's gonna be clean.
Yeah.
Target's gonna be clean. So either way, we're ranging. So the exact price is not known yet, but based on a daily time frame, we rejected from this level to the left, wicks to the left. We closed bearish. Now I'm looking for a hard retracement that we didn't get for the past weeks. Building and it has to fall one time because it can't get too high. So I'm looking maybe to sell below the daily when the price starts turning bearish because we made the high up as I just said. And otherwise I'm gonna take the buys up in this 40 pip range to, you know, get some pips out of that. Because at the end of the day, either way we break out, we're gonna push because we've been ranging. But this makes sense, pretty much the same. Otherwise I would already buy, my issues are I would already buy above 800 and not above 890, even though that candle wick is there. But for the rest, it's pretty clean.
The 4 hour, it looks like it's going to drop in a second. I really want to sell it now. It looks.
Yeah, it looks clean to drop, but we just need to close below these levels to start dropping. And 460 is important as well, as you can see these wicks and this close. So you preferably want to close below like 400 at least. So we got a chart from Pitches coming in. Let's see what he got. Oh, you're already in. Okay. Oh no, that's
on you.
Whoa. Yeah, you're just expecting the first target maybe just retest of the low, but I don't know, if at the end of the day you see this level on this high, you see this candle having issues, you see this candle having issues on the same level, so this might be a level. Yeah, if it pushes on, it's not going to be an issue, but you want this candle to close below this level. Otherwise, it's going to maybe act as a support. That's the only thing I would say.
Or wait for 30 minutes to close below.
Yeah. But this is a 4 hour.
Yeah, it's a 4 hour. Yeah. I'm looking at GU or cable as well, just for fun. Looks pretty good to go down. There's clean traffic on the left on the 30 minute. You know, I'm intrigued. Well, what's this?
Let's find some new music, extra music for the stream. Does anyone know some good music on the YouTube free YouTube?
I know one song Raja uses which is quite catchy. It's Hear the Noise.
Yeah, that's this one.
Are you playing it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Raja, for the longest time, he had like the same few songs playing on repeat in the Gulag.
Yeah. But if I'm right, if you're in this Zoom with him, you can't hear his music as well. I got no idea what good music is, so I'm gonna click something soon. Don't be surprised. Let's see. No, this is too much. It could be white. It could be. Just some relaxing music, you know, to get rid of all those emotions of the past couple of days. Oh, really? Can you explain to us what you learned? I want to know, Mohammed.
evening.
Good evening. How are you, man?
I'm good.
Good.
I see my bias, short bias, worked out last night.
Early.
I was getting close to bed and I saw it break that 147.
It's pretty
I
nice.
jumped in. I got 10 pips.
Oh, nice.
And then I had a runner and I had a target, like my original target was 75 from yesterday that I was thinking about. And I thought, oh, I'm going to go to sleep, so I'll just put a stop loss. So I just put a stop loss at entry. I actually originally had my stop loss above the high, like at 147, 590.
Okay.
Yeah, because I knew it was. I mean, I knew it was going to retest the 75 area at least.
Yeah.
But you know how it spikes around. But anyway, I thought I'm going to sleep, so I'll just put it at stop loss at entry, and I got stopped out.
It is what it is.
Yeah, it was fine.
At least you got 10 pips.
I was happy with the 10 pips because I've been waiting all night for it,
Yeah.
and I got bored. And then just before I went to bed, I just saw it. Oh, it's going to move now. I can see it. So I took an impulse entry at 147.03.
It's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Most of us took losses yesterday. Loads of people took losses. I think
Yeah,
Rakim took two losses as well, right? 2 losses and
right.
one win, I think.
I was very suspect about the long possibility. Just
Yeah. Chart line. What is that then? Chart line.
I think, what he's talking about is if you have a hard time finding support resistance on the candlesticks, you can like use the line chart. It's like
Oh, this.
yeah.
Here
Over
it is.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, that's a good way to find support and resistance. You can see the peak very clearly.
Pretty nice. This is. I don't see anything. Pretty nice. Perhaps send in a nice chart. Let's see what he's done. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
yeah, you see that squiggly line right over there? That's very bullish.
Yeah, man. But if this line, you always have to use impulsive entries probably if you use this.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, because there's no.
You're only using the line just to get the levels, then you go back to candles.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
true.
Yeah, one of those. Wait, one stop is 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. So you want this line to close below, and then you know, put your stop loss above the line.
Yeah, you have to like look it on a live chart. It's like I don't know, a snake
Yeah.
looking for its food or something. It's like, yeah, tipping around.
Oh, you use it to identify the level. Okay. I never thought of that, but there's two. There's an area and there's a line. It's pretty much the same. But yeah, clean traffic, you know, for them buys, you know, for the sells, yeah. Clean as well. Let's go back. People are gonna be like, what is this? Oh, we have another chart coming in. Guys, remember if you're in the Zoom, go click on another device on the YouTube. Put the link in the description again, in chat again of the Zoom. Let's see what Mehmet has. Yeah, it made sense to retest this level, close below that consolidation. Yeah, pretty good. But was your original stop loss all the way over here? Or did you just move it above the current candle? I mean, why is your... This is my question. Why is your target here and not here? Because your line is here. Okay, okay. Bold idea. Let's look at that real quick. Yeah, looks pretty clean, but this can already close below, right? It should be already. Wait, let's take a look at gold.
I was just about to ask to the people that have some experience in gold. I'm
Oh, you
thinking
need
if
that
this
30-minute candle. Well, you go
Yeah.
ahead.
I'm thinking if this 30-minute candle closes below 1782.15, then
Yeah.
it can continue down to.
Yeah, I was looking at that too because that 15 already closed, but you just need that 30 minute in 7 minutes to close like here.
Yeah, and then you got 30 pip range to the first traffic where you expect to break.
Yep.
Then it's like
Looks pretty good. Yeah, you want that candle to close below there.
I'm curious to see what it's like trading multiple pairs actually, because I see some people in the group do that. I think like Tom, he trades multiple pairs, takes
Yeah.
one trade a day on you know, the best setup that he sees probably.
Come on, guys, everyone in the Zoom. We got 29 people in. We only have 9 in the YouTube, man. Come on. I'm looking forward what that retail sale is gonna do tomorrow. Hello, user. No name. problem. No problem. Yeah, GJ is gonna be a long, long day until we get to one of those levels. We're literally stuck in the middle of the range.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Whoa. Good morning. Let's see. We're probably just gonna break out soon. That's nice when you post something on the wrong Instagram. Oh my god.
What happened to Monty's stream?
I really don't have any idea. I got no idea, man.
He disappeared.
Probably. 1 second, I'll be right back. Damn. Let's see. Wait. People are in gold cells. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty clean close right there. That's exactly what you wanted to see. Good job for the people that do that. Clean cell 15. Retested this level, came back down. Yeah, you're gonna get your pips. Just pushing. Yo, Marcus is in from 82.60. That's savage. Marcus, man, you're now up like 25%, man. Relax. GJ seeking to the downside as well. Let me put that music back on. Stopped again. We got the chart from Tom. Let's see what he sent. Probably gold chart as well. Yeah, man. pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, that runner is gonna do some work probably. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, that runner is gonna do some work. Good job, man. Yeah, I can look at GU, but I don't trade GU myself personally, man. So. Yeah, that gold trade was an easy trade. I don't trade gold, so I'm not gonna jump in because I see the setup is being nice, but that was an easy trade on gold right there. Good job to everyone that took that trade. Good job. We got 2 dislikes on the stream. What? Who's disliking this, man? Haters are already coming. Yeah, it's gonna be a waiting game for today. Let's see if London Open is able to push us out. inside the range. It's really not liking that level.
Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be a no trade day.
Yeah, or we gotta break out above, but I don't know.
The only trade I saw was on gold once that 30-minute closed below.
Yeah, that was a clean trade. That was a really clean trade right there.
Yeah, it was like a 2-minute trade or something. I was looking to take it. I had my calculator things open with stop loss above the 30-minute high, and then it opened with no wick and broke the low in like a second. I was like, cool, maybe it's gonna retrace up.
Hey guys, everyone that's in the Zoom chat, go ahead and go on the YouTube, like, subscribe, please. It's gonna help a lot. Got 35 people in the Zoom and only 6 on the stream, so you know, we need to make a difference on that. The link is in the Zoom chat. Yeah, this range is, it's not a small range as well. It's like good 20 something pip range, like 27 pips I think. Yeah, 27 pips. The buys can play out pretty clean, I think, if we tend to push up.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Marcos. Bro, you're already up like, how much? 20% this month.
I don't know. I have to check all the trades.
Yeah. That's a good gold trade you took there, man.
Yeah.
But what's the reason you got in so early at like 20?
Yeah, I have it in 1 hour time frame. I see a resistance at 84. So I'm looking for sells.
You took it on a 1 hour candle close, right?
I look 2 different time frames at 1 hour and 3 30-minute time frames. And when the previous 30-minute time frame start to form berries, I set the position at 82.60.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I have another position at 82.04, a small position.
Yeah.
And then I set my take profit at the low of the structure, 50-minute time frame structure at 78.85.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Bro, you're already up. You've been up like nearly 30 pips.
Yeah, I closed with 21 pips. I closed full position because price started to arrive to the wicks on left, and I think can retrace a little bit, so I closed everything.
That's a nice trade right there. But people could have bought on that 30-minute as well for more confirmation. Once the 30-minute candle closed and the 15-minute candle closed,
Yeah.
the probability of pushing down to these levels was just really high.
But on gold, I'm looking also for buys. I think previous 4 hour time frame was bullish, and I think now price is rejecting the top wick of previous hour time frame. So I'm looking to fill the 4 hour wick and go to the upside to 93. But
93. Okay, yeah, so you're looking for this break and then push for on
Yeah.
there.
but price have to
That retracement right there. Damn. Crazy.
Gold is vicious.
Yeah.
It's a vicious fight.
Fast retracement right there. Look at that.
2-minute move down.
Yeah, 25 pip moves in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for I closed the trade because price arrive to the wicks on left hand. It's a liquidity area.
Yeah.
So I think now price start to push to the upside. And if breaks the hikes, I start to thinking on buys on gold.
Yeah.
The thing about these counter trend moves down is that on the 1 hour it broke below support, but if you look on the 4 hour on gold, it didn't break the low. So on the 4 hour, the default is still to go up. So that's why.
Yeah, this is one of the reasons I closed the trade, because previous 4 hour candlestick was bullish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think the next should be
93. That's a good target on the 4 hour as well.
Until the week on 4 hour.
Yeah, on the top was first and then further up.
I think if have a very good push, we can go to 830s on gold, but it's so far.
Yeah, man, those cells in the gold look pretty clean to take. If you guys got any charts, just send them in. I'll take a look at them.
GBP is a very hard situation today.
Very hard.
Okay. I think it's the same as yesterday. Price is ranging right now.
Yeah. We got a question from Master P to Tom.
To use the 30-minute or 15-minute for stop loss. I'm guessing the 15 if you got a little more than 1 o'clock.
He's maybe walking his dog.
Yeah.
It's nearly gonna hit 30. And I'm gonna get in.
No, it's still coming down.
Hmm?
It's still coming down.
Yeah.
What does the higher time frame look like on that stock?
Pretty good, I think. Look, pushed all the way up. Now we're coming down probably for a retracement, but
Check the monthly if you're gonna hold it for. That looks pretty good.
yeah, it's already hit these highs back in the days like 2000, 2001. So it has the potential to go up all the way up there.
Yeah, true.
So I'm looking for a retracement between 20 and 30 to just get some entries. Because this, I believe this battle power system is gonna make an impact.
Look,
Yeah, yeah.
what is the BLP you showed?
Oh, that's stock what I'm looking at
Oh, okay.
to buy soon. So yeah, GJ is giving itself a hard time.
last night I took a sell for DJ, and then when I got about 10 pips,
Yeah.
I put my stop loss to break even, and then just this morning I got stop out with $3 profit only, and still GJ is going down a bit.
Okay, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. You had the stop above the 5-minute masterpiece.
Yeah, I just read and looked at the chart.
Yeah.
That makes that makes sense. That's pretty good. Yeah, I would have had my stop loss above the 30-minute on this gold trade for 22 pips. Man, there's a headline on Forex Factory: Citibank can't get back 500 million it wired by mistake.
Damn.
Judge rules.
Wish it was to my bank account.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money right there.
$500 million, yeah.
But they can't get it back.
No, a judge ruled they can't get it back.
Oh man. Someone's gonna get fired. Pushing up a little bit on GJ inside the range. You're 18% up today. How many trades did you take, Mehmet?
How much did you risk to get?
Yeah. 18%. You must be over risking probably, or yeah, but how much risk did you use, Mehmet? How much risk did you use in that trade to get 18%? 5%. Okay, that's okay. For an 18% return.
But what did you like take a trade on to get 4 to 1 today?
Yeah. Maybe on gold.
No gold move. Then you would have needed a stop loss on like 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, when that close to be above 800. 3 okay. 3 3. Can you send in the chart what you took, Mohammed, so we can see what you did?
GBP.
Yeah, this is yeah.
I am only looking for sells today on GBP, GPY.
The only issue with getting it on 800 is that 4-hour wick is at 888,
Yeah.
885. That's this wick. And that
If you look at 30 minutes on GBP, it's like a head and shoulder pattern.
I got no idea what
The
that looks like.
neckline.
Here's the shoulder, here's that, and here's the shoulder. That's what you mean, right? Or something different.
Yeah.
I got
No,
no
it's,
idea what that means. Yeah, go ahead.
It's a pattern, a
Okay.
candlestick pattern.
Is it for sells or buys?
Technically speaking, if a head and shoulders, the price breaks, the neckline is like a support of the very low of the structure. The price should retest the very low of the previous lows on high time frames. So I think for me, I only thinking on sells today.
Yeah.
Price should retest the very low. For me, price should go to 45 today.
Yeah, you know, historically, when I don't trade these head and shoulders patterns, but historically, when I've seen them on the chart, on the 1 hour especially, the move down has been like explosive.
Yeah. I think someone said it yesterday. GBP GPY for me is overbuy today.
Oh,
Yeah, overbought today.
And
Because the previous 5-6 weeks are always pushing very hard for buys. Price needs to be correct.
I get it.
It can be today or next week, you know. In the problem, price breaks the previous high of 4 hour, but now are prices in the liquidity area. So I think can reject the price and continues down. For me to take a buy, needs a clear break of these weeks on left to retest the previous high.
This is Tom's plan for GJ. Yeah, for sells pretty much the same, but for me, for buys, I would take on this range for 30, 40 pip move all the way up here. The only thing I'm worried about is this 4-hour candle high. But sells, same story.
Hey, good morning, guys. Can I add to that?
Sure.
The reason I would take above is because of this,
Okay.
this. But if you take buys above here, that zone here is only 8 pips.
Yeah, You want,
So
I think preferably if you're gonna take that risk, you want buys above that 4-hour candle high.
yeah, maybe it can go like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Because
maybe better.
I'm thinking the same.
This move is clean. This move is clean. So I'm looking to mirror this move.
Yeah, you only have this part you have to worry about then.
Yeah, but then I'm already at 10 pips. So
Yeah. So you would wait for a breakout,
yeah.
and then retest, and then
Yeah,
go up
maybe.
again.
Or if it's a strong candle pushing up with a nice wick, then I would already get in. But I don't really mind about this level, only for my run air, because I'm probably already in 10 pips at that time. So
yeah.
If it goes on, it goes on. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know.
Gotcha.
It's like gold is coming down to fill that 1 hour wick, even though it looks like a rejection.
Oh, you just got the London open.
Yeah.
We got 3 dislikes on the stream. Come on, who's disliking this, man? Free education.
We haven't given out a good trade yet.
No.
Well, that was gold.
Waiting for signals, man.
Yeah, man. Come on, why dislike it? Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I don't really mind. But still, free education here, starting to dislike it. Childish. Probably Ricardo. I don't know, but it is what it is. I don't really mind.
I want to see what price make with this week on left. Is ready yet or continues pushing up?
Yeah, probably. I really don't know who these two guys are, so got no idea. Guys, everyone in the Zoom, remember to just get a different device.
They are from Wix Don't Lie, also. QWERTY is pretty good.
Okay, really? I got no idea. I'll search him up. Oh, this Eleanor. Oh yeah, I know her. I've never been in her streams.
I'm off, guys. Good luck.
Bye bye, man.
Bye.
Thank you for tuning in.
Yes, sir.
I need coffee right now.
Yeah, maybe me too. GT is making me tired. Guys, we got 35 people in the 33 people in the Zoom. Come on, man. Take a different device and tune in on the YouTube.
Open another tab.
Yeah, just a small thing to do, right? Join in from Ronald. Let's see what we got. See GJ pushing up in my left view. Oh, so you entered when the price started breaking these candle highs, right? Next time add some more value because I can't read your mind, man. Look good, but I can't read your mind, so I do not know what you're seeing, what you're thinking. Add some supports, resistances, and let's see.
You look at yesterday's breakout.
From yesterday.
Yeah.
Let's see. Where do you mean what time?
No, I say if you catch the breakout or you've been in the computer when it breaks.
Wait, what? Say again? I didn't hear what you said.
When you finish the Zoom session yesterday.
Yeah.
30 minutes later, I think price break out the consolidation. Yesterday.
Yeah. I see.
And I say if you catch the breakout or you.
No, I didn't.
Or you don't trade.
Yeah, I didn't trade it. I left it.
Okay.
To be what it was, and my trading time was over, so I'm not gonna take a trade when that happens after my trading time.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for a close between the zone or just above it. No, I'm not looking at any impulsive entries. You can do if you want, but remember, impulsive entries are 50-50 most of the time. So I'd rather wait for for price to close above, yeah, your stop loss is gonna be a bit bigger, like 20 plus pips, but you know, it's safer to take, you know, a buy based on candles closing rather than impulsive. Yeah, it could work. 100%. It's shooting up right now, but you know, at the end of the day, you have to put yourself in the best position.
I think after this consolidation, it's better to wait for a break and retest the previous low.
Yeah.
Impulse trade with this kind of volume can make instant drawdown on your account.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's not trending hard right now, so it just came out of consolidation. It's starting to trend, so you don't know if it's gonna continue to trend. So you wanna take those impulsive entries based on price trending bullish or bearish, and then take an impulsive entry when high volume comes in, because then it's gonna be value. Outside, most of the times, if you take a impulsive entry inside just outside a breakout zone, it's really tricky to do. We got a chart in.
Other days.
Yeah.
The other days we tried taking impulse entries, buy stops, and we got slammed.
Yeah. Yeah, makes sense if it works on this pair like this, but remember this zone. This can maybe be a zone where it stopped. Like, yeah, I can't do anything, but maybe this right here. So look out for that. And I mean, if you want to take it that badly and not having that fear of missing out, you can start taking on a 15-minute, but just be careful with the impulsive entry. Yeah, you would have been in good pips right now, 100%, but at the end of the day, things could have gone south as well really quickly. So
Hey Luke, check out one of the comments in the Zoom from Islam.
oh no, that's pretty big. And we were into Forex. At this loss, straight today. Let's see. You manage risk pretty well. I think, I don't know how many pips that is. How big is this range?
The idea was there, makes sense.
Yeah.
I would say,
But
wait, if I can add something to the chart, let me annotate that.
I want to see that 15-minute candle. GG is pushing. Let me real quick look.
So, what I see is that maybe you could have focused on this most recent zone, and then once this candle over here broke out, then this over here would have been like your trading candle.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. Right?
This candle.
Yeah, you have a zone right here.
You can give it a second chance if this candle closes like this. I don't know. Let's look at the Euro NZD. Was right. Yeah. Let's take a quick look. Ooh, that candle flip bearish. Yeah, trade is not valid anymore, but I mean, this candle didn't really break out based on 30-minute. Look left. It just closed above, but
in my eyes, this is what I see: is that price broke out of this most recent level over here, this candle closed bullish, and I don't know what time this is, if this is a high
7
volume
o'clock.
time, but it depends when volume kicks in on this pair, but this is a pretty good confirmation for the next candle to continue up.
Yeah, but look
And
at
this
this.
also, this over here, it was also pretty good. Then I guess there was no more volume because you see price printing small body candles. So now you need to wait for a support.
Yeah, but what I'm looking at is, look, this 30-minute. Yeah, this one closed just above it, but you see the volume just coming down. Yeah, this candle is Frankfurt open, so on euro it might have had impact. So broke the low in the high volume candle, and then things started. I mean, based on 30-minute, if you zoom out all the way out like this, there's a difference, but pretty much close at the same spot. 1 hour was a bit different, but after that, but still, it was just maybe probability and what Master P just said. Let's go back to GBP JPY.
Closed above
Yeah.
Yeah, a good buy on GBP GPY was if this candle, 50-minute candle, close bearish, and the next break the previous high. I think it's a nice buy because you have a best stop loss. Now I think stop loss is huge.
Yeah.
You can
maybe. No, there's not really a place to really place it. But at least we broke.
If someone,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. No, for me, if someone takes an impulse trade of the break of the previous 50-minute candlestick, I think the most logical stop loss is at 8.25, the below of the breakout. So for me, it's huge stop loss. 5-minute frame, there is no structure for me.
Yeah. Why is
So
this?
it's
Why is
very
that
risky.
candle so big?
For me, it's better to wait for this candle to close.
Yeah.
This 30-minute to close,
But are you
and
gonna
then see what happens.
Yeah. Maybe get an entry when price pulls back.
Yeah.
But definitely not gonna use my standard risk on a 23 pip stop.
If this candle close inside the range again, for me, it's clearly a sign of sells today.
Yeah. I'm gonna calculate it real quick on MetaTrader, see what it does. I think it's gonna need to pull back a little further for that retest. Yeah. But the thing is, if we close like 850, we could take buys and expect it to retest this high it just made him continue further up because we just broke that level. And the only thing is we need to close strong above there on the 30-minute to be able to do that.
Yeah, I agree. For me to take that trade that you just said, like with the 15 being bearish, I would want to see the last 5 minute of this 30-minute feeling like support.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at as well.
Yeah, I just went to the toilet. I don't know what you were talking about.
Yeah, I didn't say it. I just looked at it.
Yeah, the worst thing you can do is when you see like a big body 15-minute candle is to expect that the next candle to also continue with like a big body up. Sometimes it just doesn't work that way.
Yeah. Well, I was doing something at the same time. Say it again, please. Sorry.
Well, like sometimes in GJ you just see like a big body 15-minute candle or 30-minute candle even
Yeah.
like this. Like this 15-minute is 26 pips. Now logically you think, okay, maybe there's a lot of volume. Maybe the next candle would also be big body.
Yeah.
And like nope.
Nope. Goodbye.
Yeah. You get like a doji.
Everything out the window.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, you sent this one already, right? It flipped. What? It broke the high. Oh, you are in cells now, right? Pretty nice, man. Let me take a look at US30. I never looked at that pair. Let's take a look for you. Oh wait, which one should I click on? Currency.com you have, right? Yeah, you have that one. Open it.
Oh, you just added it to your watch list.
Oh wait, I added 10 of them probably. Oh no, so it's good. Oh good. Oh yeah, that's pretty sick right there, man. Yeah. How much pips is that? I don't have any idea how it works. And where your stop loss is. And probably have something like this, right? They need like a 43 pip target as well. The only thing I'm worried about is this level, but I don't know if that makes sense on US30. This right here. I would want it to close below. Yeah, that last 5 minute candle is, yeah, we just retested. I'm gonna change my risk because I'm not gonna take that on my full position. Normally I never change it, but with a 40 pip stop, with a 20 pip stop, I don't like to take that loss.
And are you gonna secure 10 pips?
Yeah, I'm gonna secure it probably 10 pips. or put my stop loss at break even at 10 pips. But I'm not in yet. I'm not in. Relax. I want this candle not to be that big. I want it to close right 840, or have a pullback and jump in with the sniper entry. You know.
Yeah,
I
5
got in
minutes.
with that on the 15-minute.
Oh, nice.
Oh really? Oh, you got into that? Yeah. I've seen this happen over and over again. I need to start executing on that, man. That retest. But I'm not.
Also the 15 minute?
Yeah, on the 50-minute, look at that retest right there. Retest off that level.
Yeah.
I've seen this happen over and over and over and over and over again. I need to execute on that once because it just makes sense. I've seen it happen so
I've
many
seen it
times.
I've seen it on the 30 minute, but not on the 15 minute.
Yeah. You know what we can do as well? If you want to be a bit more, you know, you want to have a bit of a better level, you can just put your stop below the 15-minute candle. And you expect it not to come back inside the range anymore, so you have a smaller stop loss.
Yeah, exactly. I was gonna just say that. Put it below this
Yeah.
resistance.
Otherwise your stop's going to be massive. Personally, I'm going to wait for a small pullback. If it's going to pull back.
Yeah, 5 minute is closing in the way that I described before, where when the last 5 minute looks like it's going to close bullish, creating that support to fill the wick.
Yeah, exactly.
Which in combination with like the 30-minute closing bullish above, like it's a 30-minute confirmation, but you also have that confluence of the 5 minute creating that support to then at least you know there's a good probability to fill the wick.
Yeah. And it's closing above there, so it makes sense pushing further up. Only the stop loss isn't the funniest thing, you know. But it is what it is.
Yeah, I think a 15 pip stop loss at 0.750 would be good.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. In some way. Let's see what happens in the last 2.5 minutes.
Me, I am looking for buys.
Yeah, I could understand.
Right? Now is a nice break retest. For me, it's not set up to retest the high of the structure.
Guys, do you know if magic keys can also put buy limit orders or only stop orders?
It can. I think it can, but I don't know how it works.
I'm guessing if I do like if market pending and then put the line below the price, then it automatically should be like a buy limit rather than a buy stop. Okay, I thought so. Thanks, Robert.
We got 1 minute left for this candle to close. Yeah, pretty much. Let's see. Be careful, guys, because stop loss is going to be bigger than normal. I mean,
Yeah.
if you're not, if you don't want to take it, don't take it, please.
You're gonna wait for a little wick down.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little wick down. I'm not gonna have a full stop loss. Rather, Or I'm gonna get in on the wick, or I'm not gonna basically get in. It's just gonna push up straight away. That's the risk that I'm taking. But I'd rather have lower risk once it pulls down with a smaller stop loss.
Yeah, 850 would be a nice entry.
Yeah, around that level. So it could push upward straight away, you know. You never know.
I'd like to see it break the 147, and I think it's got a good chance of going up to 147.20, 147.200.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe.
Give me a retest of 850.
Waiting for it.
I have already done it.
You're in. Invest in yen is in. Yeah, I might get in. Just wait a little.
You are in buys right now.
No, not yet. Thinking about getting in now, but
Either it breaks 900 or
yeah.
I'm
You in?
I want to get in now.
Yeah, me too, but I don't know. I got a feeling. I'm gonna wait. If I miss it, I miss it. If I don't miss it, I don't miss it. Who's all in? Yeah, we're looking for that by Adarian in the in the YouTube chat. Who is all in?
I took it right now because on the 5-minute it's breaking the high, and
Yeah.
my stop loss is going to be 780. So about just 13 pips. Going to manage risk at 860. Close the majority of the position, and if it breaks this high and comes back into drawdown, close 50%, etc.
I am
I-
not in.
I also took a buy at 146.88.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I didn't get in. I stayed up.
Yeah, because I made the same mistake on gold earlier where I wanted to see a pullback and then it just went. So now I'm like, well, it's either going to break the 5-minute high or pull back. Either one of those. Oh, no. Obviously lower risk as well.
You know, my plan is to see 860, around that. I could have gone in on 880, but
You know, it'd be nice on Magic Keys is to have like your partial stop loss to be able to change the percentage it closes, just like you can do with your take profit.
yeah. I don't care if I'm missing out. Do what you wanna do, GJ. Do what you wanna do.
Yeah, confirmation for break and retest for me.
Yeah. Looks pretty clean, but I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a big fan of that stop loss, so I wanted to pull back a little more. There's not a real place for me to really manage that risk.
Yeah, after my stop, go to the current candle. It's painful.
Yeah. Yeah, you're in good profits now. 5 pips, 6 pips, right?
Me?
Yeah. You're not in. Oh,
No.
Jody is in, bro.
I'm in from 915 up about 5 pips.
Oh, you're not in as well. Okay, damn, I thought you were in. That you wanted to see that retest as well.
Yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation
Yeah.
for that previous 15 high.
Yeah, it's really good.
From 87. 87.
Yeah, it's 7, 8, yeah.
I got, I almost had 10 pips then. And then it always pulls back just when you're just about to get the 10 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate that.
Just give me that pullback and
It's still London open.
yeah.
Gold is messy at this point.
We hear some German news in the background from someone. I think. Yeah, from Tim probably. He has his mic on.
Oh, excuse me.
No problem, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, my voicemail. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry.
The probability is going up is high, but for me that stop loss didn't make any sense. There was no place for me to take structured risk management. 5 minute, yeah, you could risk manage on the 5 minute, but it's not really that strong. And if I got in once the candle opened right here, that would have been 20 pips stop loss. Yeah, you have place at 8 pips to manage that risk, but still, for me personally, this wasn't a good situation because I want to the 30 minute to pull back a little bit more. Still hold this structure, but go to like 60 to take an entry for me to be a bit more safe, you know. My second pair of the day. Is this the correct way of performing this strategy? Yeah, let me take a look, man. Yeah, you could also just wait for close, but if I was you, wait. Where's your other message from before?
Yeah, you sent the Euro NZD chart.
Yeah.
Now USD.
Yeah, here. I'm newer and into Forex. I think you should start focusing on just one pair.
Yeah, especially if you're new. Check
So
out-
take a pair. That's open on the one side, closed on the other side, and just try and trade that. It can be anything. It can be anything from GBP JPY to Euro NZD to something else. But just focus on one pair. Try and focus on one pair if you're new, because it's gonna distract you and confuse you when you start trading those two pairs together.
Look, check my chart.
Yep.
That's how I'm managing this trade.
Yeah, pretty much makes sense. Makes sense. No, I wanted to get in, but I don't really mind. I don't. What he says, what Nick says makes sense as well. Get in based on that 50-minute break right now. But
Yeah, you know, if the last 5 minute of that 30 minute didn't close bullish, then I would be waiting for a break of the high on the 50
Yeah.
minute. But since it closed bullish, I'm like, well, the probability is already high to break the high, so why get a worse entry?
well, it should continue to push up if that breaks.
Yeah,
Um,
that's the only benefit.
and
is
you
that
have a
you
10
can
pip
use it.
stop. Yo, Nick, where are you gonna place your stop? You're gonna place it directly under the printed candle, right? I think he's focusing.
Yeah, focus.
That sniper vision right there, waiting for that 1 pip to push up. Because he needs that, you know, that small range.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's coming close. It broke. Oh, it touched it. Oh,
Oh, come on.
Oh. It broke up. I was.
Come on, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna get in, but I didn't click my my button.
Yeah, it just hit my neck
In-
5 pips.
Have a buy stop at the top of the previous.
Yeah, if I wouldn't gone in, I would have probably gone in like right here.
I had it muted, but
Yeah.
I was waiting for it to break that 1 pip.
Yeah. What's your entry?
It jumped up a little bit too high, so I'm at 147.
Oh damn.
4 basically.
4.
Wish there was a way to place like a buy stop without spread activating it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I
My-
manually. That's why I manually target.
I have my enter at 9:18. And he moves little with the volume, the open of the 5-minute candle.
But most of the people that have gone in already at the open should have 10 pips by now.
Yeah.
Because
So
if
I
you
got
don't,
my 10.
yeah, I was about to say. Good job, guys.
Got a runner.
You know, I followed my plan, stayed disciplined. It's all good as well. It's a win at the end of the day as well.
Yeah.
No fear of missing out.
No need.
Definitely not.
Yeah, my plan was on like the 5-minute. Like, I mean, I don't want to say it was based on the 5-minute because I was waiting for the 30 to close, but I just needed to see the last 5-minute of the 30-minute close bullish
Yeah.
probabilities to play out. And also, like earlier today, I was looking to take that sell on gold that Tom took as well once that 30-minute closed below. But I was, because it broke the low in the first second, I was like, oh well, maybe it's gonna go into drawdown and I can get a better entry. But nope,
Yeah.
never did that.
Yeah, looked really, really clean. You know, fun fact, I actually clicked my my open trade button on Magic Keys at like 900, 990, and I was still locked in on the other screen, so it didn't open. And then I looked and it didn't open. I was like, and it stayed at the same level. I was like, nah, I'll just leave it. Yeah, it looks clean, guys. Looks clean.
It's about time.
Someone on the stream took it as well. Hopefully you secured your 10 pips. Give a like.
Oh, on the
YouTube.
yeah, there's a guy on the YouTube stream. He's like
Yeah.
at 926. He's like, buy question mark.
Yeah. Yeah, it looked pretty good. I was just not a fan of that. Of that range of the stop loss. It could have dipped down pretty deep. So
Yeah. I think the thing is, I think that 0.200 level, if there's a good probability it'll break and then we'll retest that 0.500. But
yeah.
I closed pretty much everything except 0.01, so I'm gonna close DPS up to
Yeah.
190.
Mehmet sent in a chart. Let's see what he sent in.
Too risky.
For me now.
This is
closing
no. This is based, even though it's on a 5-minute
some
candle.
trade.
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry. I speak right through you. Go ahead. Oh, what the fuck?
I close everything right now.
I accidentally opened a full position. Oh my
shit,
god.
that was you?
Yeah, that was me. I accidentally opened a full position. I'm so stupid.
Well, just
Oh my god. Why did I try? You know what I did?
Damn, man.
I wanted to click on open calc and I accidentally I clicked on.
Yeah. Did you close it instantly?
Oh man, there you go. Yeah, I closed it instantly.
Okay.
But
pretty
still, at a 1 pip loss, man. Fuck you, Magic Keys.
Alright, yeah, I secured 90% just now. I don't really trust it to keep going.
Why did I wanted to click open calc to close my calculator. Oh my god.
Yeah, they're pretty close together.
My god.
I remember when
I'm lucky. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I remember when I was trading stocks, I would press the wrong key because they're like shortcuts on my keyboard, and like the default thing when you open the wrong position is like, well, let's see what happens.
There you go. Commission down the drain.
Yeah, it's good you closed it
I
instantly.
closed.
Yeah, it's like €3 commission and a €1.76 euro loss. €1.76.
It didn't happen.
Yeah, it's
I
total
closed everything.
€4 loss because of stupid button. But it is what it is. Yeah, I
I
don't
think
care.
the guys that took the 5-minute entry got the best entry.
Yeah.
Tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mamed, you were asking if this trade was too risky.
It was.
So.
No,
I think-
because it's based on a 30-minute entry.
Yeah.
That 5-minute close where the 30-minute close, so it's good. But next time just use the 30-minute plays.
Yeah, the only thing risky about your trade is your stop loss is a little too tight. I would say because you had it below the 5-minute low, which is like 3-4 pips. I would say having it at least at 0.800 made the most sense because at least it's below the support. It's also below the 15-minute low. And then you could have targeted, could have expected that high to break at 970 for a full 10 pips. That's pretty good.
I closed everything at 18.3. In my position.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna start doing a buy stop, but like a 2-pip buy stop for because I've gotten activated. I do like 1 pip range. I've gotten the spread take me in and it pulls back. So
Yeah, I had that the other day.
I think I'm gonna do like a 1 pip sell stop and like a 2-pip buy stop.
Oh yeah, because on sells, then the spread is on the upper side.
Yeah, because I like to go by the bid price, not the asking price.
Yeah, but in buys, it's the asking price that gets you it triggered, but in sells, it's the bid.
Exactly. But either way, got like 9 pips, so I'm not gonna worry about that one
Yeah.
extra.
Yeah, I got negative 1 pip because of that stupid click on the button. Oh my god. Well, you made another trade, Mohammed. 21% today, man. You better chill. You already made 4 trades now, right? Chill out, man.
Wow, Mamet is the one who had 18%.
Yeah, you're 21% now, man. You better relax.
Marcos ain't got shit on Mamet.
Morning, guys. How's it going?
Good morning. Yeah,
Hey.
pretty good, man. The only thing is that I made this really dumb decision right now.
I heard.
It is what it is.
Did any of you got the trade?
Some of us.
Yeah, most of you guys took the trade, except for me. I took. You know how high the entry was on my accidental trade?
Go on.
It was 147.88. That's where it is.
That's one pip away from the take profit.
But I immediately clicked out. But still, negative 1 pip loss and commission is still annoying when you misclick. But it
So
is.
I've got a question. Those of you that entered, did you enter on the 15 when they broke the high, or when the 30-minute broke the high?
Well,
'Cause I
Nick,
personally took when the 30-minute broke the high.
Well, when the 30-minute broke the high, that's the
15
minute
high, yeah.
as well.
Well, not really. That's like 1 pip away. To be
Oh,
honest, 'cause
okay,
I made
okay,
that I made that mistake previously, and I was like,
Nick,
if it's gonna break the 15 high,
Yeah, Nick waited for the 30-minute, right? Nick?
No, 15. He's
15.
right. It's
Oh,
like a, it's like
okay.
a
Okay,
one
okay.
pip
Oh yeah,
difference.
because that's 78.
Yeah, that's like 1 pip difference, and I was
Oh,
like patiently waiting to break the 30-minute high.
Yeah. Yeah,
But
bro.
then eventually,
I got in as well, but just 10 pips later, you know.
The only thing it jumped up really fast. 'Cause I was waiting for 991 to enter, but it jumped
Yeah.
up everything. So, I mean, I still got like 9 pips, so I can't really complain.
that's fair enough.
But I'm just gonna start doing a buy stop instead.
Yeah, because we had that momentum, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, to me, I knew it'd go up, but like I said, now I'm being more patient, just waiting for confirmation. So once that
Yeah,
bearish house broke,
Yeah,
it's
go
a
on.
perfect break and retest.
to be honest, I didn't expect that volume London pushing in.
Bro, I should have got.
Usually London, GJ, like closer to Thursday and Fridays when you get like better pushes lately.
Yeah.
Definitely speaking, I think it's a good trade based on 5 minutes and 50 minutes. I think both
yeah.
trades are good trades.
Yeah, I think I should have just gone in based on that 30-minute close, but the only problem for me was I didn't really like the stop loss, and because the candle was that large, that candle was pretty big, so the probability of pushing down deep was there, you know. So that's why I wanted to see like price going down to like 860 for me to get an entry, to just have just a smaller stop, you know. But you know, that's what you risk. You risk to get a better entry, and if you don't, you know, that's it. You need to follow your plan on that one, and not take an entry all the way at the top, accidentally.
But Nick, what happened to you yesterday? I saw the messages in the London session. I was like, what did you do?
Man. I was an idiot last night. Long story short, you know, I took that buy and took that loss. So I went to sleep and I woke up maybe like 5 in the morning my time. So I see price dropping, and I got in horrible entry at like 146, 945, and price pulled back. So I put another entry in, and then I put another entry in when it closed.
Damn.
So I'm like a 30 lot at that point.
30 lot. Oh my god.
1000%. Because I was expecting it to drop, and my target was 900. But you know, I took a loss earlier, so I was already down like maybe 1700. And with funding talent, you can only lose
5
for the day, and you have a drawdown. So it literally went back to 0.032, and I closed everything, right? Because I didn't want to take the risk of blowing the account, but hitting that parameter. And the minute I closed it, it went down to my target.
Oh yeah. I'm on goal buys right now.
That's dreadful, man.
Pushing
That's
very
dreadful.
hard.
Yeah, if I just let it run, I mean, obviously you gotta manage risk, but if I just let it run, I'd have been okay. But I was literally right there on like that parameter of getting whatever the 5K or whatever the drawdown is.
Yeah.
So if I had just been more patient, waiting for that close, I'd have been alright. Because I already was like targeting that wick fill of that 30-minute that broke out.
I think another point was like not to add another entry to a losing trade, right?
It was everything, man. It was literally just because my computer's not that far, so like I don't know what happened. I woke up at like 5. I took a peek over my monitor, and I just see price dropping heavy. I'm like, oh, I can't miss that. And I just went in. I'm just like, click, 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 click. So yeah. But I'm in the recovery phase right now.
You made it back today, didn't you? A little bit.
Yeah, half.
Still pretty good. Should make half
Marcus,
back.
here's tomorrow and another week, right?
50% of my position on gold. Yeah.
Yeah, Marcus, you have gold buys.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Bro.
How did you enter?
Yeah. I enter at the break the week at 8582. Now it's arrived to the weeks on left. I close 50% of my trade. I have a runner to retest the previous
Bro, guys,
high at 92.53.
to be honest, Marco's next month he's gonna quit his job, and bro, You made 25% this month already, probably. So you make some good trades, Marcos.
I'm up for the week, only 5.5%.
Bro, that's better than all of us. Most of us, I mean.
Gold works. That is.
See ya, Ronald. Thank you for tuning in.
If you look at gold at the 4-hour time frame,
Yeah.
price make a huge retrace.
Yeah, that's what you
near
expected.
It makes a huge retrace near to the very low of the previous 4-hour candlestick,
Yeah.
and then start to go up, breaks the high, and now I'm thinking to feel the week on left, but I close at in 30-minute time frame. If you look at left, there are weeks. I close 50% of my trade here, and the rest at the very top of the structure. I put my stop loss at break even.
Yeah.
So now
That's good, man.
I'm waiting for the other stuff.
Yeah, that's good.
No, I can't trade gold personally. For me, it's too quick. It's too much noise as well with the wicks.
I thought about trading gold, but I'm just trying to master one thing and, you know, get those bad habits out of the way before I move on.
Yeah,
I think gold is faster.
Yeah, you need to get a no trade day, man.
More opportunity.
No, I had one last week Friday. I didn't trade Friday.
Okay,
I
yeah.
made a bonus and then just didn't trade Friday.
Maybe
I don't usually trade Fridays.
maybe take a small step away from all them impulse entries.
No, I don't really do impulse.
Okay.
Like I said, it was just last night. I literally woke up out in the middle of the night and I don't even know what to tell you, man. I just went crazy.
But
There's a hook.
do you know if your magic key set up for only like 2 trades a day, or?
Yeah, but it doesn't. I don't use the calculator, so I don't really see those things.
Okay.
I just have
Set
it
myself
quick.
only 2%. That's it.
What's
Yeah.
that?
Can't lose it. I can't lose any more than 2%. I said that on the magic keys.
Yeah, I have 2.
Oh, yeah. Maybe I should start using the calculator. I don't know. 'Cause I never see that thing pop up anymore.
You only use like instant buy sell, right?
From the one-click trading from MetaTrader, yeah. It just always set the 10 lock.
My personal magic keys is a 8-year-old mouse. My keyboard.
Nice. I don't even know how to enter based on MetaTrader with a bigger lot.
Yeah,
Maybe
one-click
new
trading.
order. Oh, you have them keys on MetaTrader as well to get in faster, like F9, F10.
On MT5, you can make faster trades with hotkeys.
Yeah.
But I use my mouse. I prefer enter manual set my stop loss and take profit.
Who's
That's
tried
pretty-
using the instant buy sell in Magic Keys?
Not me, because I'm too scared for those buttons. If I already press accidentally open trade, I'm gonna press these buttons over and over and over again, so I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out, is it the same thing as one-click trading? Like, how does
Yeah,
it-
yeah, it's FN1, FN2, FN3, FN4. You can set them in
how
cells
does
and
it
buttons.
set the lot size though? Like,
You can set in the lot size in the settings, and you just, if you click it, it opens straight away. But you need to know which one is which one, because you can put one on a, you can put like FN1 on partial stop loss, FN2 you can put it on a buy, FN3 you can put it on a sell, and FN4 you can make something else, you know. But you need to remember which one is which one, otherwise you're gonna buy and sell, you know.
no, I'm just curious as far as how it does All right, so activate FN1, activate F2. But how does it know the lot size? Like, where do you put that?
In the settings. So if you go to the right corner and you see magic keys, you can, there's like inputs, and then for the for the for those buys, instant buys, you can set them, I think. Yeah, FN2, FN1 press. You can set it in instant buy, and I think it automatically grabs your minimum and maximum lot size.
What?
You have, yeah, you have your just your fixed lot sizes, or you put in your fixed amount that you want to lose,
Oh, okay,
and
okay,
that
okay.
it grabs that
Fixed lot
automatically, I
size.
think. Yeah.
If fixed lot size, what size? Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
So it, okay, all right.
Close everything on gold right now.
Did it go?
Nice.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I closed my runner on GJ at about now 18 pips.
I would have gone into profit if I had my position.
Master, where did you get in? At the start of 30-minute candle?
Wait, what?
Me or Luke?
No, Master, did you get in on a 30-minute candle?
Oh, me.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I got in once. So I was waiting for two things to happen: either a pullback to 0.850, or for the 5-minute to break the high. And I got
Break
in
of
once it broke the
15
high.
is great.
Yeah,
There should be another 10 pip push right here.
Also in 50-minute time frame, you take the break of the previous.
Yeah.
I think it's very nice.
Or even the break of this 30, yeah, it's gonna keep pushing. I was gonna take it, but I'm trying not to, overdo it tonight.
Yeah. You already got your pips, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got clean range to 200.
Yeah, I was gonna take the break of this plus 15 and 30-minute highs the same to get 10 more pips, but I just sat on my hands.
Yeah, I mentioned earlier, I think 200 will break, and ultimately we can retest 0.500. Because even if yesterday was a bearish candle, that's still, like, we know that one bearish candle doesn't mean a pullback or like a reversal on GJ. Even though I would love to see a pullback, to be honest.
And to be honest, we didn't break the daily candle low as well.
Yeah, that as well.
So, Master P, did you get the sticky notes?
Not yet, but they're in my head.
But I got some hot pink sticky notes with the reminders.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I gotta do something, man, because last night pissed me off.
It is what it is.
Man, nah, that's a rookie mistake right there.
Yeah, you should chill out, man. Take it easy.
Yeah.
So, is it not that fear of missing out? That the reason why you enter?
I couldn't even tell you, man. Like I said, I don't even know why I woke up. I just, I woke up and because my monitor.
I think it was.
Like I said.
Go on. Sorry, go on.
No, that's it.
Yeah, your monitor was still on, so you saw probably the trade, right?
I think it was just getting for that trade for that loss when you had the buy, more than fear of missing out.
Maybe, yeah. Cause like I said, I knew it was do a wick fill, but I got in when the candle was still painting, which I didn't.
Yeah.
Like I said, I wasn't really thinking. But no big deal. Like I said, I just need 3 more trades and then I'll be back above profit.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. Well, guys, I think this is gonna be the session for today. It's just past 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock for the people in the UK. I think for us everything, for most of us everything worked out, even though I misclicked, but most of us got 10 pips, I think. So yeah, pretty good day. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and
Thank you, man.
we'll start the Zoom session and the live streams on YouTube tomorrow again. Yeah?
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye, guys.
Take care. Ciao.
Take care.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.